A bag of weed, a bag of weed. Oh, everything's better with a bag of weed. No, you don't need meth and you don't need speed, because everything's better with a bag of weed.
Have a go, Brian. As Mr. H.L. Mencken said, the common man's a fool.
And just like Helen Keller said, these do give people fool.
But try and use your heads and don't buy into all the fear.
That's all we need is a bag of weed to make us want to cheer. And what? A bag of weed, a bag of weed. Oh, everything's better with a bag of weed. You can try and fight, but we're all agreed.